In the vast expanse of the sky, at altitudes where conventional aircraft push their limits, a seasoned pilot with extensive flight experience suddenly encountered an extraordinary anomaly that utterly defied all conventional understanding of flight dynamics and aeronautical principles. A smooth, perfectly symmetrical, wingless saucer-shaped craft, this enigmatic object maintained impeccable stability and control, gliding effortlessly through the atmosphere without any visible wings for aerodynamic lift, no propellers or rotors for rotational thrust, and no jet exhausts or visible propulsion systems whatsoever, thereby challenging the foundational decades of aviation science built upon Bernoulli's principle of lift generation through pressure differentials and Newton's laws of motion for propulsion and stability. The design of this craft was nothing short of a marvel in engineering, or perhaps a demonstration of principles beyond our current comprehension of engineering feasibility. Its seamless hull, constructed from an unidentified metallic material exhibiting extraordinary properties, reflected the sunlight with a subtle, mesmerizing sheen that hinted at advanced surface treatments or compositions unknown to modern metallurgy. Upon closer observation, there were absolutely no rivets, seams, welds, hatches, or any traditional control surfaces such as ailerons, rudders, or elevators. No rotors providing vertical lift, no jet turbines generating forward thrust via expelled gases, no propellers creating airflow for traction, just a flawless, unbroken, enigmatic disk form, roughly equivalent in scale to a modern fighter jet, evoking profound questions about manufacturing precision, material science, and the absence of any need for conventional aerodynamic appendages. The maneuvers executed by this craft were equally astonishing and unprecedented, demonstrating capabilities that eclipse any known aircraft, whether manned fighters, drones, or experimental prototypes. It could surge into instant acceleration from a complete standstill to extraordinary velocities in mere moments, perform sharp right-angle turns at those blistering speeds without any visible banking, deceleration, or the structural stresses and G-forces that would obliterate traditional airframes, and then transition seamlessly into silent hovering stationary in midair for prolonged durations without any supporting mechanisms. Such fluid, gravity-defying movements indicated a profound mastery over inertia, gravitational forces, and atmospheric interactions, with no accompanying sonic booms, vapor trails, or heat distortions typically associated with high-performance flight, leaving aviation experts baffled by the implications for control systems and energy management. This wingless phenomenon brazenly defied the fundamental laws of physics as understood in aeronautics and classical mechanics. Lacking any lift-generating surfaces like wings or canards to exploit airflow differentials for upward force, it completely ignored aerodynamic drag that plagues even the sleekest streamlined designs, sustaining incredible speeds without reliance on conventional thrust mechanisms such as turbojets or rockets that expel mass rearward. Furthermore, its apparent versatility to operate seamlessly in dense atmospheric conditions and potentially even the vacuum of space without structural modifications or environmental adaptations underscored a radically different paradigm for propulsion, energy conversion, and field manipulation, compelling physicists and engineers to question long-held axioms about momentum conservation, lift-to-drag ratios, and the very nature of flight. Such encounters with these anomalous craft were far from isolated incidents, as corroborated by numerous military radar tracks spanning decades of surveillance operations. These records document objects materializing abruptly on scopes, engaging in maneuvers impossible for known technology, and then vanishing tracelessly from detection. Frequently, these events prompted interception attempts by advanced military aircraft like high-performance interceptors, yet the crafts effortlessly outpaced, outmaneuvered, and evaded pursuit, disappearing from radar, visual, and infrared tracking systems without deceleration signatures or departure vectors, highlighting their superior elusiveness and operational superiority. The confirmed existence of such a wingless craft unequivocally implies a technology that transcends our current scientific comprehension, profoundly challenging established paradigms in physics, aerospace engineering, materials science, and even raising intriguing possibilities regarding extraterrestrial intelligence or undisclosed human advancements. It endures as a profound and persistent mystery in the annals of aviation and ufology, compelling experts and enthusiasts alike to fundamentally reconsider the boundaries of achievable flight, propulsion methodologies, and the expansive potential of the universe's technological possibilities.